Less traffic, less stress, and more campfires. Welcome to one of southwestern Ontario's premier seasonal resort communities, Rock Glen Family Resort. Today we're showcasing this 5-year-old Forest River Quail Ridge with 1 bedroom and 1 bathroom. You'll love these spacious countertops, the open concept, the high ceilings, the panoramic views of the pond, and beautiful sunsets. Come check this out and see for yourself. This resort-style community is located in the heart of Lambton Shores, close to the beaches of Lake Huron, featuring world-class sunsets and endless activities for you and your family to enjoy. The resort itself has got a long list of activities as well, including indoor, outdoor pool, playgrounds, free mini golf for the kids, fishing ponds, you name it. Long list of things to do. For more information about that, don't hesitate to reach out. But more importantly, for more information about this unit, contact your agent today to book a private showing, or contact myself if I can help get you through it. Justin Desick, Sutton Group Select Realty. Bye for now.